YouTube, what's going on? Oh, I got a new lark. It's coming to the channel. We had just got it, so it's a OBS Chevy pickup truck that we taking to drop off real quick. We just got it, but now that when I say that this mud's a beast, it's a beast. It do need work. It got a strong motor and trans in it. So I might just show y'all while I'm driving, while my cousin's driving. So that's the OBS. He's doing it. When I say look at my dad, trying to keep up with it. So he happy that he got an OBS. So we about to turn this mother up. We about to turn it up. They need the back hatch. The back door. Need another bumper. Y'all hear it. They need a front bumper. I'm gonna show you all that after we taking the truck where it's going to. So we do need some rocker irons. Some rocket panels on both sides. We're gonna change the mirrors. So let me cut y'all back on after we go to park. All right, y'all, here y'all go. So like I said, front bumper. I have to get the brackets. New fender. Door straight. Probably gotta get some oh no, it's shut. Yeah, see, work iron, the working panel. So we dropped it off over here to our homie, so he about to do that for him. Bed, no, we gonna have to get a whole nother bed. It got hoses in it. We gonna change out the mirrors. Like I said, bumper. Bad bumper. Tailgate, y'all. That's what the shit called. Tailgate. Get a whole nother tailgate. On this side. So yeah, y'all, this the new lark for the channel. New project. So it's over here to my homie. He gonna put his touches on it, and then it gonna come back to me to get my touches on it. So yeah, y'all do that. Excuse me, y'all share, like, subscribe, and tune in with me when I'm dropping these videos. I got more contents coming to the channel. Y'all just stay tuned. Share, like, subscribe, and tune in with me. It's gonna be more and more and more contents coming to the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.